You are watching a 360-degree drag race video. That means you can change the camera angle by either tilting your mobile device or dragging the cursor on your desktop's browser window. If you want to watch the proper drag race video of these particular cars, then click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video to watch the full drag race video.
Oh, got the manual car, got good launch. Oh, I'm going a bit sideways. That CS has gone. Oh my gosh, it's gone. And it's increasing its lead. And that is it.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the F80, with its 460 horsepower, 3-litre straight-six twin-turbo, was easily the fastest. Next was the E92, with its 450 horsepower, 4.4-litre naturally aspirated V8. It crossed the line in 13.5 seconds. Third was the E46 CSL, with its 365 horsepower, straight-six naturally aspirated engine, which did the standing quarter mile in 14.8 seconds. Last was the old E30, with its 215 horsepower 4-cylinder engine. It crossed the line in 17 seconds.
Now we're going to have a rolling race. 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, kick down! Oh my gosh! Well, this kicked down better than the E46. That F80 just took off. I think that's the end of it. That's the end of it.
Thanks for watching this 360-degree drag race video. Now check out the full video by clicking on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video.